So the theory of evolution helps us to understand the world around us. It helps scientists make guesses about living things and experiment to see if they're true. Many people have said that without understanding evolution, nothing in biology makes sense. That means that we need to start with the idea that all living things come from a common ancestor when we ask questions about life. Evolution, by natural selection, is when different animals change over time. It happens because they have special traits that help them survive in their environment. These traits get passed from the parents to their babies. As the environment changes, some of these traits become good or bad for survival, so new animals will be born with new traits. We can see evidence of evolution in fossils and in DNA, and by looking at how some animals differ or are similar to each other. Speciation is when new species are formed. This can happen when populations become separated and cannot reproduce together, or through things happening within the same area. Reproductive barriers keep related species from mixing, and this helps them stay different from each other. A reproductive barrier could be something geographical, like a mountain range, or something along the range of time, like a species that reproduces in the spring or instead of the fall. Sympatric speciation can happen if something goes wrong during cell division, which creates extra chromosomes. Autopolyploidy happens inside one species, and allopolyploidy happens between two related species. Speciation is when two species are related but slightly different. They can also overlap in areas called hybrid zones. When they reproduce, their offspring can change the way that two species evolve. Scientists have two ways to explain how this happens. One way where it takes a long time, and another that happens quickly from one generation to the next. In either case, no matter what theory we use, natural selection still affects them both. As you'll see in this chapter, evolution by natural selection is a strong, grounded theory in science, much like the theory of gravity. And so as you read this chapter, be sure to start thinking about the ways that you've seen evolution by natural selection play out in your life. I'll see you in the next video.